Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fold the HD85507B, but it is redesigned, and I don't have a model with me right now, but you'll get to see it at the end anyway, so let's begin. Going to start off with preliminary fold, just like the old model. The reason why, because I redesigned this plane, is because it didn't fly, like, at all, really, the original one. So I made a flight test on it. It's a short, my newest one, on the Redesigned HD, and if you watched it, you saw that it flew much better. So yeah. Very similar to the old HD, but it is also different in a way. Next, you're going to want to fold this flap up. And then just rabbit ear fold it. Note that you will not keep it rabbit ear folded. These are just pre-creases. Once you've done that, you are going to squash fold this flap. And then you are going to fold this up, unfold everything, reverse fold, then just fold these two edges in to those creases. Then you are going to fold, well, first of all, rabbit ear fold this. You were actually meant to squash fold this flap and then fold the tip up, so I apologize for that. Just squash fold it, fold this tip up, unfold, reverse the crease, and then fold this flap down along where these creases intersect, just like that. Fold these down, just like that, and then rabbit ear fold along the main creases. And then the next step, you're just going to just tuck the flap under like that, because squash folding it will make the paper a lot thicker. So just keep it like that. Fold the wing over. And then fold the wing over, just like that. Then you're going to swivel fold the wings edge in, so that basically a third. Swivel fold it in a third. don't have to land it exactly. You can just estimate it. Or the best way to do this is to just swivel fold it so that this crease goes from that point so that it touches that edge. That is a good way to do it, but if one side is matching up with the other side like this, just keep it like that. If you do adjust it so that the fold is accurate and it doesn't match up with the other wing, then just keep it the way it was. But if your plane is just proper symmetrical, then just ignore whatever I said. Anyway, next you're going to fold these flaps in and then fold them out. I do have an upcoming plane. It is called the Demon Blade. It will be out later, so keep an eye on that. Okay, once you've done both wings, make sure they match up with the back wings. Just inside of wrist fold them in and out, just like the old HD. And then just, again, like the old HD, inside of wrist fold these flaps out. Can match them up along with that edge. I find that works pretty well, but sometimes it's just not gonna land right on the wings if you do so, but if it does, then keep it like that. If it doesn't, I'd recommend you just fold it out so it hits the wing's bottom edge. But I find it better, again, to just inside of wrist fold it out along the wing's inside edges. So yeah, sure it matches. In this case it is. Fold this wing over. Fold this down. Again, just like the old HD. The only thing different about the new one, the one that we're folding right now, is the bottom wings have basically been completely remade to improve the flight performance. So, yeah. And again, once you've folded the edges out, just fold them in. Once you've done that, fold the wings you just made up, as well as the redesigned bottom wings. Repeat on the other side. Just fold every single wing up. If you have not seen the old HD yet, well, let me just say, if you're ever gonna fold that, well, I am still going to keep that tutorial out there. Just if you guys want to still fold that old HD, even though it doesn't really fly well at all. So just, again, if you've never heard or seen or folded the old HD before, well, I don't recommend you do so if you want a good flight plane. But if you do, then either fold this one. Well, if you are already folding this one, then forget what I just said. And you can also fold the Andromeda 5511, the Unity, which right now is just there. And if you want a good flight model, you can fold one of the planes from the Crusader series of planes. They also fly well. And yeah, so basically what I just did, all that, is I jet folded it. And if you want like a big fuselage, do not jet fold it along the wing's edges. That will cause a small one. But if you want a small one, do whatever you want. And basically I just folded the tail fin up, locked it up, just like most of my other planes. Fold it up, fold the edges in, and then fold the whole thing up side, and then just begin shaping it. So yeah, the HD went from being my worst flight planes to one of my best flying planes. So yeah, just shape the wings so they look like that in the back. And yeah, there it is. The HD85507B redesigned. I hope you enjoyed folding it, and I will see you in the next one.